कैमरामैन जल्दी फोकस करो. All right, everything all set. Niki niwet hasita formality fansin English. Pinike rosa content ho panung kuksi labang so video kaselam lo. Nili video bangke family friendly rosi kaselam ji pulo. Sita me along pen long asipene se video long bangke dokok titilo. Lasi nili bori pon po kapawe dead ji apha. Today in this video I'm going to reveal my heartfelt secret. Nila bang solam ka cipak lang ji phan masap ta ka cisigawe. But anyway, nang tumune pana kahon parpe ga joine masap sugat sitame nampak lang det po. It may go into the Q&A segment, but it's not because most of you people are asking this question frequently in almost all the video. Nangli video quality bang ko pepochi api ong log ham ong. It is nothing because of the old phone. I have been using this phone for almost 5 years, and the phone brand is Realme 2 Pro. I bought this phone in the year 2019 and it was launched in 2018. And now you calculate it, how old it is. And now I want to point one more thing. I use the front camera to record my video. It is because for a solo YouTubers, it is very challenging situations to record a video with a back camera. And also my phone is not like a flippable phone. It doesn't have a back screen. So I prefer the front camera to record my video. And one more thing, tonight this video I'm recording with my brother's phone. Before moving to the next topic, you can support me by sharing this video. For the next topic, nangli video kiding kupia potsi selam ledet. Lapen nangli video lang do titi. For these questions, I'm very extremely sorry. But non kewang jelang ani pen ke akiding a video da ka selam jia phan bor ipo. Niliphan apor nang pita. The 0 pen starting a kam ke apor and chat. So all of you be patient. And akiding a video protante editing ta apor nang kok. Lapen ne video long ke ason a materials, effects, sound effects tame kipidun do. Lason po ne phone bang give up the titi. Maybe a phone ban pinakapota hai po. That's the main reason why my videos are short. Lasine mathalo rose content bang ke scripting lapen editing ta apor nang chot. Lapen equipment ta akeme mu chot si nang kokji. Lapot I will start a new channel. That's what I think. Lasi hula bang su akimia channel ka khulia long nang tum nang sherabdun jima. Lapen la su akimia channel mone men tu nile eng pusita amena bang ke kurus talk. This one. Nole nang tum search page chitame a channel ke theglong chi chitame nang tum thanga content ta theglong lela. Now lastly come to my content. My content is 2 rows for this channel specifically. Never mind. Lasina ke chengpenta rosa content loksi kaselam labukali. I have been trying many content. Just like do everything and choose what you like. Lasona situation si wang joilo. Nili lai hu lam phan bangke nili isi ak video si tami selam elu. Ha prangal jing geding hot. Nang tum ne channel long lang dam lu plu tang te thegam long ji. La penyo sam tum ke lang jing ning hang plu tang te description long si tami a link do ji. And most of you say this. Bang a content, bang a video log ke upload dun pensi subscriber ka chepelong I. Yes, it is. But it content my face, my voice and my hard work. It's not like this. Nang Rose channel open lo video tag log link kang tondun ke Rose dun kang nek dun lapu ke chokshi. Lapen nang kumania muni depan ning so dung mat video pensi nang ning chepang sami lapu ke chokshi. You have to think for the audience. And also you have to research and analyze that video. Sometimes word by word and frame by frame. And after that, the result will come. This is my perspectives as what I did then and now. Jong si ne la pusona kam klemte bala pusona lam ningje te rada tum ing negjima ma aning thi hagjima lata mathanangji. Whether they will support it or not, lasi mathanang it takes time. Lasi non kewang jilang aro sa video lo mangke stop commenting this word. It hurts. It hurts. This much for today. I hope you guys get my point.